Welcome everyone. My name is Anka Chelebi. I am the owner of Park Avenue Medical Spa. We have been in this community for over 20 years, and I am very pleased to introduce to you today a new treatment called Sofwave. Please stay until the end of this presentation for a live Q&A session. You can submit your questions via the question tab. By attending this webinar today, I would love to offer you a complimentary glycolic peel when you schedule your Sofwave treatment. Sofwave is an FDA-cleared, non-invasive treatment that addresses skin laxity through the production of new collagen and elastin. As you know, collagen is a natural protein that gives skin its nice, toned, youthful appearance. But as we age, collagen breaks down, resulting in sagging skin, lines, and wrinkles. Sofwave's unique ultrasound delivery can reduce the signs of aging for a much refreshed appearance. This technology creates heat at a depth of 1.5 millimeter, which is the depth for treating lines and wrinkles in the mid-dermis. It is also integrated with a cooling mechanism, which will protect the epidermis. That is one of the reasons for which there is no downtime after this procedure. This process will generate collagen in the skin, leading to a softening of the lines and wrinkles and a much tighter appearance. Today, there are many energy-based technologies that are designed to treat skin laxity, lines, and wrinkles. The difference with Sofwave is that the ultrasound technology can deliver excellent tightening and lifting results without downtime and with minimal discomfort. Sofwave is a great treatment to improve fine lines and wrinkles. It will also lift the brow area, the under chin, and neck. FDA has recently given clearance for improvement in the appearance of cellulite, acne scars, and also recently skin laxity of the upper arms. Anyone with skin laxity, lines, wrinkles, crepey skin, or acne scars are candidates for this technology. A consultation is, however, recommended to determine if you are the best candidate for this technology. Combination therapies are oftentimes recommended depending on each one's individual needs. There's really no downtime required following a Sofwave treatment. Patients can return to their normal activities immediately, and they can continue with their routine skincare regimen as usual. Following treatment, the skin may appear slightly red with mild swelling, but that will resolve in a few hours. Results can be noticed even 1 week post-treatment. However, collagen regeneration will take approximately 12 weeks. That means that patient will notice consistent improvement in the treatment in up to 3 months post this therapy. Thank you all for attending our presentation. At the conclusion of the question and answer session, please check your texts and reply yes if you would like to schedule a consultation or make an appointment. A member of our team will contact you shortly. I invite you to chat with me now through the question and answers tab. Hello, thank you for watching the presentation, and now I'm going to answer some of the questions. So one of the questions is, how many treatments are needed on average? So this type of treatment is truly recommended as a just one time. However, it does depend on the laxity that one have. Most probably someone that just has minor laxity will do okay with just one treatment. If there's more, obviously we may have to do 2 or even 3 treatments in 1 year. Another question is numbing cream applied prior to the procedure. Yes, we do like to apply numbing cream prior to the procedure and actually let it on for about 45 minutes to an hour. You have to have good anesthesia prior to the treatment because the effects are based or will happen once there is good heating of the skin. As you saw in the presentation, the ultrasound does travel to about 1.5 millimeters under the skin to cause the collagen stimulation. So ideally would be to have good topical anesthetic prior to the treatment. How soon after a photofacial or cool scalp treatment you can have this done? So oftentimes photofacial will even combine with Sofwave. So again, you can have it anytime if you want to do it in the same session or if you want to do it thereafter, but there is no real need for a certain time in between the 2 treatments. Same goes for cool sculpting. If you would be, let's say, treating the neck or treating other parts of the body, I would recommend to just wait maybe about a week post cool sculpting and then add the Sofwave. When can I repeat the treatment? So first of all, we need to see if there is a need for a second treatment, because as I mentioned previously, the need for additional treatment depends on the amount of laxity that one have, or in case you're not treating laxity, if you're treating cellulite or other areas, the number of treatments would differ. So ideally would be to have a consultation so then we can evaluate and tell you, first of all, if you're a candidate, and then decide on the number of treatments that would benefit one. When can I begin to see results? So as previously mentioned in our video, you can notice results immediately post-treatment, sometimes even 1 or 2 weeks after, but truly the changes are going to happen later since the results are really happening because of collagen production. And as we know, that requires some time. So we usually like to bring one back after 2-3 months, and at that time we can see the results from the first treatment and decide if there is any need for an additional treatment with Sofwave or another one, depending on the needs of each individual. Can I exercise after Sofwave? Yes, you can exercise after Sofwave. There are no contraindication. As previously mentioned, there is no downtime. The epidermis is being cooled at the time of treatment. So you may have minor redness, but there is all, and that usually resolves within half an hour post-treatment. Can I go in the sun after having Sofwave? So Sofwave is a treatment that can be done after or can be done at any time of the year. There is no contraindication going into the sun or doing it after you have been in the sun. We have not noticed any complications or changes if you end up going in the sun. So it can be really a treatment that can be done at any time of the year, and it can be done on any skin type. How long the results last? So this is always a difficult question because none of the non-surgical treatments are going to stop the aging process. So basically, after this treatment, you are going to notice an improvement. As I said, if you don't have a lot of laxity, one treatment is enough. However, if you want to maintain the results and in order to slow down the aging process, you may need to repeat it in another year. So it all depends, as I said, on the amount of laxity that one have. But pretty much once a year is sufficient. How long does the treatment take for one single area? So again, the length of the treatment depends on the number of passes that we have to do. And that, again, is determined by the amount of laxity that one has. But pretty much, let's say face, if we treat, it will take anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour. Does Sofwave treat forehead wrinkles? So Sofwave is going to improve wrinkles in any area of the body, and it will improve or soften the lines on the forehead as well. It can also produce a nice lifting of the forehead. So yes, it's going to soften lines on any part of your face or neck, or as you could see now, it's being approved for treatment of laxity on arms, a reduction of cellulite. So there are a lot of areas that you can safely treat with Sofwave. So I think this ends our session and the questions that I've seen to this point. So as a reminder, you will be receiving a text message, and please reply with the code word PARK to be contacted for a consultation. Also, please keep in mind that if you are going to come to us for a Sofwave treatment, you will receive a complimentary glycolic peel. Thank you again for being with us this evening, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our practice.